What up, what up? Why don't we just get right to this?
It ain't easy being broke.
What is going on, guys? It is Xavier back with another Corrupted Life vlog. And I kind of just wanted to go over some of the things that we did differently to the car when, well, after we took it to the track. So, pretty much, one sec. Car is stupid loud. So pretty much what we did was we went in. You guys know about the absolutely atrocious time it ran over at the Auto Club Speedway last weekend. Completely let me down. It was already on a tune. Obviously that tune wasn't the best. So of course I had to get a hold of the tuner. Hey, what the hell's this? And get this fixed, because I shouldn't be putting down a 14.8 second quarter mile. I can tell you that right now. So took it to the tuner, I want to say Tuesday, and got a retune. So he went in, got rid of all of the torque management, changed my shift points, adjusted my timing table, and just completely retuned the whole vehicle, fuel trim, everything that goes into a tune, everything's tuned. And the best part was, I got it for free. How? Simply told him that I was unhappy with the way my car was performing for the modifications that I have, and asked him politely if he could just fix it, because a 14-second quarter mile in a 2010 Camaro SS isn't acceptable, because a stock 2010 Camaro SS on just the tune alone runs a 13-second flat. And let me tell you guys, the car is exceptionally quicker. The shifts are more aggressive. Everything just feels good. I'm gonna try to get on the freeway. There you have it. Pulls hell of a lot harder. Definitely still a little sluggish in the low to mids, but as soon as it gets about 3,500 RPM, she just wants to take off. Would have pulled harder, but it's not in sport mode. That's besides the point. The fact is, Camaro's back, sounds better, idles better, pulls harder, backfires a lot more, and is just running like a complete champ. So right now what we're doing is we're heading over to Goose's house. Goose, aka Andrew, aka, I'll leave his YouTube in the link in the description. And pretty much we're heading to his house to, I guess, wrap his headers. That's what he wanted to do. Not completely sure why, but when we get down there we will definitely find out why. Gooses, and trying to close his stupid ass gate. Got a dual vlog going on.
See, I'm advanced. I got the
He's got
long
the big tripod. Mine's all tiny and stuff. I don't like this. I need to step up my game. I can't be smaller than the rest.
No, I'm just overcompensating. That's all.
That's fine. So what's the plan today?
So the plan is we're gonna end up taking his front wheels off, jacking the car up, taking his long tube headers off, and hopefully getting his starter off.
So we're doing starter and headers?
Yeah, but unfortunately the stuff doesn't come in until tomorrow, so we're only
Come here,
taking
Luna.
stuff off.
Luna. What's up, Echo? Fucking biting.
Casualty of coming here.
Where's Goose at?
Goose is at the VFW meeting. So he's
BMW meeting? Seriously?
Yeah. So he managed to swindle us into doing this for him for free.
For free?
Sounds like normal.
No, he's gonna wash my car after. I'm just kidding.
I'm down for that.
I just washed my car this morning.
I'm down for that because mine is dirty as hell.
Is it dirty?
Oh yeah.
Your wheels are dirty. I can see that.
Yeah, the wheels are awful. And then
I got my wheels all cleaned off.
just look at this front bumper.
Look at his bumper, guys. He's got a whole freaking bug store on there.
Yeah, this is what happens when you drive really fast.
See that right there? That looks like a. Ooh, what the fuck is that?
That's from the paint shop. The bumper was terrible quality. As you can see,
Bumper was terrible quality.
paint chips everywhere.
I think it's just a shitty paint job.
No, I went and saw it. It was literally as rough as a
Was it?
ball. They spent 6 hours.
Why
sanding
didn't they sand it before they painted it?
No, they did after.
And it was still rough, so it
Yeah.
was in the plastic. Maybe that's trash.
Yeah. So don't ever buy anything from MP Concepts.
Yeah, MP Concepts? No.
Yeah.
It's a badass splitter though.
I
Who made
spent
that?
$1,000 on that bumper before paint, and it
Yo.
came out like shit.
Answer my question.
What?
Who made that splitter?
Oh, me. Obviously.
Hear that? Ryan.
Yes.
Instagram will be in the link in the description below. He makes splitters.
Yeah. Every so often. I gotta replace the front piping.
Just be careful because his
Goose cut
splitters
is short.
come armed and dangerous, ready to slice your ankle open.
I've got 2 casualties so far.
2 casualties.
Yeah. All right. Well, guess we get started then.
It's fucking hot.
Yeah. Not looking forward to this.
And I'm from Arizona. And it's this isn't a dry heat of 115 degrees like I'm used to. This is a 79 to 85 degree, 40% humidity kind of. I just got out of my car and my balls are already sweating kind of heat.
Well, no, my car this morning said that it was about 95.
What's going on over there? We got these two. Get him, Luna. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, you're done. That's my girl. All right, so we're back with day 2. Ran into a couple of roadblocks. The parts ended up not coming yesterday and came today. So I'm just gonna throw all this into one video. So we're working on the headers right now, getting them all wrapped up. They're about 75% done. There's fiberglass everywhere. My body hurts, not literally hurts, but if you've messed with fiberglass, you would know what it feels like. Let's walk into his room and see what's going on. What is going on?
Just a little sweat factory.
Sweatshop, sweatshop. What do we got going on, Goose?
Goose is just about to finish up the first header. Part way through the second.
Alright guys, so we pretty much have the headers wrapped top to bottom. That's not even the best part. The best part is we got fucking pizza. Thanks to No Name and No Name.
Where's the...
Right? Jessica doesn't mind being in videos. So pretty much when we're done with this and finish putting these ties on, we're gonna go install those. We gotta replace the starter so we can get the Venom RT back in action. All right, so headers are all tied up and wrapped up, ready to get put in, but we gotta make sure that the starter still works. Well, it's a new starter, so it should work, but just so we're not wasting any time, we're making sure that it works. And Goose is gonna hold it while we test it. The things you do just to fix your car. I'm gonna love this. Hang on tight.
It's not live.
So Ryan, explain to us what we're doing here.
We're here to break Goose's hands.
How much torque do you think it's going to be?
There's gonna be a lot of torque, so to hold it
A fair amount.
very
You want
tight.
to hold it quite high. I don't know which way it's going to go.
All right.
So what we're doing, let me make this live.
So stupid.
Is it good?
So what we've done is we've connected the negative terminal to the outer casing to ground it, positive to the positive terminal. And then when you normally like turn your key or press the start button, what it's going to do is connect the 12 volts to this little sensor here. Once that activates, the whole thing will activate live.
That's what it's supposed to do.
That's what it's supposed to do.
The other one didn't even move. Just
No,
made
the other
noise.
one
I'm
shot
definitely
out.
gonna put like fireworks up here.
One out of my hand.
So there.
Okay, take it off.
Decent amount of torque.
No.
Alright guys, so this weekend was just an absolute clusterfuck. So pretty much what had happened is they sent us the wrong starter. We went to every single auto parts store within a 50-mile radius and still couldn't find the exact starter he needed. So he's gonna go place an order somewhere and just get it done then.
God, dude, that was insane. That was such a good rolling burnout. Holy shit. Huh? Yeah.